So I managed to get my IKEA Matter light bulb working with Home Assistant. Thanks everyone who left a comment on my previous video. Following your suggestions, I was actually able to get it to work. The first thing I did was restart my iPhone. Then, as somebody suggested, I decided to use a lamp just to make it easier for pairing, and that's right beside this HomePod here. I then just reset the light bulb. I think I had to turn it on and off 12 times until it was reset, and when it was reset it just started flashing like this. Then in the Home Assistant app I just followed the usual steps of going to devices, services, searching for Matter, and then add new device. And then, as someone suggested in the last video, rather than scanning the QR code on the leaflet, I scanned it on the bulb itself. And then the bulb flashed a few times. I won't go through the whole video, but the bulb flashed a few times while it was being set up, and then it was connected and it just worked. So yeah, following those steps it was actually relatively painless to set up and fairly easy. After I renamed the bulb, I then just went over to Home Assistant, changed the automation, replacing the bulb, and gave it a test. And that's it, then it just worked. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks everyone for your advice. Cheers.